Hi everyone, my name is Beatrice. I'm here to do a recruitment agency. I decided to do this recruitment agency because I've always been in business. I love business. Business is my passion, and right now I want to go into recruitment agency because of that. I find this training very interesting. I was talking about recruitment agency when a friend of mine introduced me to Joe. He told me about this, which I attended the meeting, and I find it so interesting because Joe is very helpful. He trains you, he teaches you, he makes it feel so simple. But with Jill, I'm proudly saying yes, I like this agency. I really like it, and I will recommend everyone to do it because it's not that difficult. It's simple with Jill. Yeah, my plan for the future is to take this agency further to far and near. I'd like to take it to my home place, Africa. I like people in Africa to know about it, and all over the world, if you don't mind me saying, because I'm somebody that is determined to go far in anything I do, and I'm willing to do it, most especially with the help of Joe. I'll get there.